Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a beautiful blog website using AI completely for free. So the AI we are going to use is called OpenCode. So first of all, let me just put the browser, and in the browser we are going to search for opencode.ai. Then press enter, and OpenCode is open source. It means it's completely free and you can create any kind of project using OpenCode really easily, and it's very simple. So in order to install or set up OpenCode in your system, you need to have Node.js installed on your device. So here, just open another tab and search over here nodejs.org. Then press enter, and here just click on download. And from here, choose the most latest version, latest one. Then go down and click on this. So it will download a file over here, and you just need to double click on it and then click next to install Node.js on your system. So when the Node.js installation is complete, it means you are ready to set up OpenCode in your system. So when Node.js is installed, then just go to opencode.ai. Then here you can see npm option. So click on npm and it will give you a command over here. So you need to copy this command. After that, what you need to do is that just go to your Windows search option right over here, cmd. Here you can see command prompt, and then you just need to paste the command over here. Here you can see npm I -g. It means it will install globally OpenCode in your system. So right now we just need to press enter and it will install OpenCode. And there you can see it is done. So right now we can just close this. After that, just go to any folder. So let me just go to new volume F, or let's say over here new volume G. So here we're going to create a folder. So I'm going to right click here, then click on new folder. Let's say here cat blog website. And so we're going to create a cat blog website. So right now we just need to go inside and right over here, just click on it and write here cmd and press enter. So it will open command prompt here. So this is not open code. So how we can open the open code interface? So for it we need to say over here open code, then press enter and it will open the open code interface. So this is how it looks. So here you can see build option. If you now click on tab, it will show you the plan option. So you can write anything and tell OpenCode to make a plan for you. So I'm going to make the plan using ChatGPT. So we will only use OpenCode to build the project. So right now, let me just go to the browser and right over here ChatGPT. Open the ChatGPT, and over here we're going to say I want to build a blog website for cats. Write me the prompt and press enter. So ChatGPT will generate as a prompt, and there you can see, and there you go. So we are going to use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this will be actually really quick. So here you can see this is the prompt. So I'm just going to copy this prompt, and after copying this prompt, I'm not going to directly paste it over here. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to open Notepad, and in the notepad I'm going to paste the prompt and I'm going to save it as let's save it as blog prompt, and we'll save it in the desktop. So I'm going to save this. After that, what I'm going to do is that here this is the open code CLI, and right now here you can see blog prompt. So I'm going to drag this blog prompt.txt to over here. So there you can see. So right now, whatever prompt we have write in this notepad, OpenCode will be able to read those, and I'm going to press enter. So there you can see it started building the website. It will first read the prompt and it will generate the code depending on the prompt. So this will take some time, like 5 minutes. So I'll just fast forward the video. So there you can see it will show you some step. There you can see up until now all the step is complete. So it will take another 2 to 3 minutes, and there you can see it's done. So it took around 3 minutes 34 seconds. So right now what I'm going to do is that let me just go to the folder, and here you can see cat block website, and we have 3 files over here, and it was created by OpenCode. So right now I'm going to open this index.html file. So I'm just going to double click here, and there you can see it created a cat block website, and it actually look really nice. So it didn't add any image here, but the design, everything about this is really great. So let's say we also want to add dark mode over here as well. So how can we do it? So right now, instead of using the CLI, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use OpenCode with VS Code. So let me just close this, and right now, let me just open the Visual Studio Code. So here I have Visual Studio Code installed. So I'm going to click on this, and it will open Visual Studio Code. So right now I'm going to click here File, then Open Folder, and our project was in new volume in localdisk G, and the project name was cat block website. I'm going to select this, then click here select folder, and it opened over here. So I'm going to please close. So I'm going to close everything else, and right now we can use OpenCode with Visual Studio Code. So here we'll see this extension option. Just click on this, and here write OpenCode, and here you can see OpenCode. Click on this, then click on install, and OpenCode is installed. So after installing OpenCode, what you will see is that just click over here the OpenCode extension, and on the right side you will see this icon here OC. It means OpenCode. If I now click on this, it will open the OpenCode interface over here. So we can just close everything else, and let me just click over here. There you can see this is our file, and this is the OpenCode interface. So let's tell our OpenCode to create a dark mode and light mode option to our website. So let's say over here, add a option in the menu bar so that we can interact between dark mode and light mode, and press enter. So there you can see I will help you create dark/light mode toggle to the menu bar. So it will now create it for us. So right now I'll just fast forward the video, and there you can see it's done, and it took around 1 minute 25 seconds. So right now let's go back to the browser, and let me just refresh here, and there you can see we have a dark mode button over here, and it's actually working. So in the dark mode, I think the image is missing, and if I now go down, okay, let's tell our OpenCode that the images is not showing in the website. Fix it for us. So again, it will take some time. Right now I just fast forward the video, and there you can see it's done as well, and this time it took around 1 minute 26 seconds. Right now let's go back to the browser, and let's refresh here, and the image is coming, but it's still missing. And there you can see this time we're able to see the image properly, but there is some issue that here you can see explore categories, and when I am going down, we are not able to see this. So here there is some issue with explore categories, but this time it is showing us the image properly, and over here the image is missing. So let's tell our OpenCode that, okay, let me just check the dark mode first. Okay, everything is working. Okay, let's just fix this one first, explore categories. When we go down to the website, explore categories is not showing properly. So let's see what it does. It will be more better if I were to be more specific, but I think it will understand whatever we actually trying to say. But if it still does not fix it for us, we'll just tell it with more details. Okay. And there you can see it fix it for us. So right now let's go back to the browser again, and let me refresh. So here you can see Let me check if everything is working, and there you go, everything is working properly. Obviously, you can add more feature over here if you want. You can do a lot of things. You just need to tell OpenCode whatever changes you want, and it will do it for you. So yeah, OpenCode is completely free, and you can make any kind of website using OpenCode. So I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If you like this video, please comment. That will help me a lot. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.